Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So today's good news will be the CPI data of US market. It is very good. They were expecting to raise 7.3 percentage, but they have published 7.1. So this is very good as per their expectation. And in the month of October, it was 7.7 percentage. And the core rate of food and energy prices rose 6 percentage against expectation of 6.1, and it was 6.3 in the month of October. So now the Dow future is trading with 849 and the Nasdaq is almost trading with 3 percentage up now. So very good and a very big rally coming in US now. So hopefully we will also open gap up tomorrow. So let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what's the big player are planning for this expiry. We'll follow by FII. In options, see what happened today. They increased the calls and decreased the puts. They were holding 2.54 lakh contract in put and they have unwinded 48,000 contracts. So they have 2.05 lakh contract in put buying. And in call, they were holding 2.20 lakh contract in call buying. Now they have increased 24,000 contracts. So they have 2.44 lakh contract. So see now the calls are more than the put. So it is very much positive now. And in future index also they increase 1% long and reduce 1% short. They have 61% long and 39% short. And in stock future percentage, they have booked the profit on long side, reduce the long, increase the short by 1%. So now long and short are 50-50. And the good thing is they purchase in cash market for 619. 620 crores in the cash market. So the view of FI is very much positive only. Client are the retailers input. They were holding 1,30,000 of put writing. Today they have booked the profit, unwinded 96,000 contract. So still holding 33,000 contract in put writing, and in call they were holding 1,21,000 of call writing contract. Today drastically they have increased 1.74 lakh contract in call writing. So now they have 2.95 lakh of call writing contract. So tomorrow if we have a good gap up, they will run for cover and they will purchase calls. It means they will unwind this position. So it will be reverse of call writing will be call buying. So we can also see a short covering rally too. So hopefully we can have a short covering rally tomorrow. And in future index, no changes, 54% long, 46% short. And in stock future percentage, also no changes, 84% long and 16% short. They sold for 219 crores in the cash market. So the view of client is future index, no view. Options are very much bearish. Stock futures positive, no directional view. Promoters input they were holding 1,71,000 of put writing. Today they have added more put writing contract of 48,000 contracts. So they have 2,19,000 of put writing. And in call they were holding 99,000 of call writing. Today they have unwinded these all positions and made a fresh call buying of 50,000 contract. They become very much positive. They know that the inflation of US data will be published positive only. That's why they made a positive position in options as well. The FII also made a positive positions. And in future index, they have booked the profit on long side, reduce the long, increase the shorts. So they have 32% long and 68% short. And in stock future percentage, no changes, 66% long and 34% short. And they purchase for 177 crores in the cash market. So the view of promoters, see they have a very good shorts created in future index and a very positive bullish figures they have in options. It means they have hedged future versus options to go long in cash market, and also very good stocks they are holding in the stock future percentage and also going long in cash market. So hedging their positions going long in the cash market. So they are positive only. So DII have contributed 36 crores in the cash market and the cash flow was 614 crores in positive figures. PCI Nifty was 0.89 and Bank Nifty was 1.47. See how much positive Bank Nifty became today. But still Nifty need a very good rally We don't see any put writing, heavy put writing in Nifty while comparing to the Bank Nifty now. And Nifty month end is at 1.28. Bank Nifty month end is at 1.11. Anyhow, PCR is very much positive only. Now let's check the price action. Anyhow, the US market has not opened yet. It will open at 8:15. I'm making the video early today. The data was published early today. So now we'll see our market. India VIX at very much comfortable level of 12.8. Nifty has closed positive 1110 point, but it is showing all red. I don't know why. But we have a very good rally today. So see if any person has went long after the first bullish candle, breaking of the first bullish candle, taking a long trade, keeping the stop loss of this candle only, 11 a.m. candle, then he would have made a very good profit. Bank Nifty, see Bank Nifty also have rallied to 237 points. Let's see in a longer time frame. See Bank Nifty, no doubt it is very much positive, very much bullish comparing to Nifty. No shorts anywhere. So Nifty was having a resistance here of 18,600. So it has took the resistance. So if we have a very good gap up of more than 120 points, then we will open somewhere around at 18,700 to 750. If we open gap up and the gap up is sustained, then we can see a very good rally too. And if that gap up is not sustained, again it will take a support of 18,600 and it will trade in a small range, or even it can move higher side only, but no shorts. Bank Nifty have nothing to tell. Buy on dip, that's it. No selling, buy on dip. So even if we have a very good gap up and that gap up sustain, and then we can think of a long side trade. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.